Today we're taking a look at a product called CloneFile001, and what this product is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to get traffic. That means you're able to get clicks to various different types of affiliate offers, and you'll be able to generate sales of those affiliate offers. And the way that you're going to be doing this is by utilizing AI clones to be able to do this for you. So this product is related to affiliate marketing, and I really like doing affiliate marketing myself, and this is kind of like a unique way in order to do affiliate marketing. So on the sales page right now, and it says an AI clone does the selling for you. You just add your link. Okay, so I'll go over the sales page, the pricing, all the additional upgrades, but first, before we get into that, I want to show you my 5 exclusive bonuses, which I will give you access to if you pick up a copy of CloneFile001 at the first link in the video description. The product's live right now. It is $17 for the front end, and then it's going to go up to $27 after 5 days after the product gets released. Okay, so I'm going to go into my 5 bonuses that I'm going to give you access to, and the first one is the free click arsenal. So this is going to be a 7 zero cost traffic sources you can deploy to your affiliate link today. So you won't need to spend any money on paid traffic to implement this bonus. 7 cost-free traffic sources, and these are going to be ranked by how fast they send clicks with the exact first move for each. So it leaves no stone left unturned. You're going to have full guidance when it comes to those 7 different traffic sources. Then bonus number 2 is the faceless YouTube traffic protocol. And I'm going to be showing you how to rank a faceless review video so it sends buyer intent clicks to your affiliate link for months. So you can combine this with the AI clone, and you can do faceless YouTube review videos and get traffic for months and even years to come by doing these faceless review videos. So that's bonus number 2, and like it says, you don't have to appear on camera. Then bonus number 3 is going to be the community infiltration file. Okay, you can see it's how to pull free targeted clicks from Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, and forums. And this is going to show you how you can do all of this without actually getting banned. So being welcomed as a helper instead of banned as a spammer. Because on platforms such as Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, and forums, actually a big problem is actually getting banned. So that's going to guide you there. And then bonus number 4 is the 30-minute daily traffic routine, the exact half-hour a day system that turns scattered effort into steady compounding clicks, built for people with a job, a family, and no spare time. So if you want to implement the CloneFile001 method and you only have about 30 minutes to 1 hour per day, you can combine that method that you learn in the training with this bonus, and then you'll be able to get clicks and traffic, and then you'll be getting potential sales. And then bonus number 5 is the paid traffic safe start playbook. So if you do have a little bit of a budget, you can use this bonus, and it's going to teach you how to buy your first clicks on a $5 a day budget with hard kill rules that stop you burning money before you know what converts. So you'll implement a $5 per day method. You'll see if it doesn't convert, you kill the ad. If it converts, you let it run and you get more traffic. So those are my 5 exclusive bonuses. All you need to do is click the first link in the video description, pick up a copy of CloneFile AI, CloneFile001, and then on your receipt page, you'll see a blue button. All you need to do is click that blue button. It says affiliate bonuses, and then you can get all your bonuses. So this is the sales page. And right now it says $7,100 plus in real affiliate commissions paid out. Okay, that's great. And then you can watch this video that shows you the clone file and how the clone is going to be selling it for you. And as you can see, the launch price right here of $17, and then it does jump up to $27. So now is a good time to actually get in. So how it works is you never appear, the clone is the face. Done for you, plug in your link, campaigns are already built, clear to promote, entry 0 rejection, and the funnel has already paid affiliates $7,100. So you can read all this stuff within the sales page, this is actually the product creator, Aidan Corkery. Okay, he's from Ireland, and he actually created this product. He's a well-known, reputable vendor, and he puts out some really good products. You can read more about Aidan right here on the actual sales page. And then it just goes over how it works and everything like that. I'm not going to go over this in too much detail because you can click the first link in the video description to go ahead and check out this page. But you can see here all 25 affiliates combined. You can see commissions right here, $7,100 that they've paid out. Okay, there's 7,100 again, and here are some people getting some nice commissions using the Clone File 001 system. $946 there, $279 there, $153 there, and everything like that. So you can see this actually works and people are getting results. Now I would like to jump into the actual product so that I can show you around the members area. So this is the members area. It's a very simple members area. There's a lot of details actually within it, but it's very simple to navigate. You want to go ahead and watch this welcome video. It's 7-minute welcome video that is going to show you exactly how the Clone File 001 system is going to be working. And then you absolutely want to join the private operative community. This is a Facebook group there where you can get updates, drops, and direct support from Aidan and other operatives running the same play. Okay, and the method of using the system is actually promoting one of their funnels. So what you need to do is you need to get approved to promote the funnel, and there's the approval message right there. You just copy that into when you're requesting the product. When you apply for your affiliate link right here, you put in that code and you get instant approval for the product. Okay, now that's great because the big problem that a lot of people struggle with when it comes to doing affiliate marketing is actually getting approved for these various different products that they want to promote. So having this approval message gives you instant approval, and then you can start from day one. So then you deploy your done for you campaign, and then you use the money system. This is the exact system I use. So I'll go over that right now. So the first step is to join the Facebook group. Then you get your link, and then you deploy the done for you campaign. So basically they give you a done for you campaign with your initial price of $17. So you can see this is the complete done for you affiliate campaign, and this is what the AI clone is actually going to look like. So what you do here is you build a bonus page right here. So you can see this is the 4-step process right here. And then what you want to do once you're on this stage is you want to go and click on build your bonus page, and this is going to give you a personalized bonus review page with a video of a clone reviewing the actual product. So all you need to do now is you need to paste in your affiliate link that you got pre-approved for. Okay, so you would paste it in there, and then what you do is you open the preview, and then you'll see your self-hosted, so you don't have to host these different pages. You can see this is going to be your bonus page. So if I copy that and open up the bonus page, you'll be able to see here that it says payment confirmed, your exclusive bonuses are unlocked below. This is your bonus page that has been created for you. So you're going to get 10 bonuses already to download, and this is what it's going to look like. Download your complete bonus stack. They'll click on this, download all the zip files, and this is what they get. The hook bank, the human. So these are all the bonuses that the product has just generated for you, and they can simply just download these as PDFs, and this is going to generate you way more sales as an affiliate, because when you're giving away bonuses, people are going to purchase the product much more, and that's what it has generated right now. So that's the bonus delivery. Then you can also use these proof packs right here if you need income proof for your promotions. You want to use these, you can just click on download, and you can use these income proofs to be able to actually get some sales. Then when it comes to driving clicks and where to send your traffic, you can use solo ads, you can use Facebook groups. So it's going to give you a Facebook groups playbook, a solo ads playbook, and then you can also use YouTube shorts and reels, and you download the short form video playbook. I will show you the traffic generation part of this. I think it's stage 4. So you can download the Shorts and Reels, and you obviously created your bonus page. So I'll go back to the third step we've done is to complete the bonus page, and then you will do your money system. This is the exact system I use to turn these avatars into $1,000+ commissions, activated below. So you'll open up this step, and that's the last step. And this is the mega link that you can get access to. Okay, this is by Wayne Crow, and this is just going to be $7 to be able to get access to the mega link. Okay, there's not much to that. It's kind of like an additional product you can purchase to scale your traffic even more. So what I want to show you now is you also get an opt-in page. So you can jump to the opt-in swaps. So if I jump to that, you can see this is what you can use on your opt-in page. 1 AI clone campaign, pool 22266. You can just copy these and create landing pages for these different products. That's step 2. And then step 3, they have emails that you can use. So I can jump to the emails, and this is going to give you a 30-day follow-up email sequence that you can use. So that's really, really nice. And then I want to show you the traffic. Okay, so solo ads, Facebook groups, YouTube Shorts and Reels. And when you click on download the short form video playbook, that's actually a PDF, and it's going to show you everything. So 0 ad spend, 56 done for you clips in your vault. So they're going to give you the clips that you can use for your YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, and that's going to be 3 platforms from 1 video. So I won't reveal that because that's exclusive to the product. Now I want to show you the optional upgrades that you can get if you decide that you want to get some of the different upgrades. So the initial sales price for this product is $17. Okay, that's the front end price of the product, and that's all what you get, what I showed you today. Then you get the traffic engine for $47, where buyers learn to send real clicks to their campaign. And then you get the done for you campaign vault for $97, more complete done for you clone campaigns. Okay, cool. And then clone command center for $197, the top tier full access to every product in the funnel, plus an upgrade to 100% commissions. And then you get Traffic Engine Lite for $27, same engine scaled back deployment. And then you get the done for you Vault Recon Pack 67. Okay, and then Command Center Field Unit 97. So that's the funnel, and that is clone file 001. Now, if you want to get access to it during the launch period, you can get access to it today. Just click the first link in the video description. Don't forget about my 5 exclusive bonuses. I'm going to give you the free Click Arsenal. Then I'm going to give you the Faceless YouTube Traffic Protocol, the Community Infiltration File, the 30-minute daily traffic routine, the paid traffic safe start playbook, and this is the bonus from the actual product. Okay, that's all available for you at the first link in the video description. Click on that, and I hope to see you in the next review.